Namaste everyone, these are their prep moments just before the shoot, all getting prepped up. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy from Intomylilworld. So आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाला है because it is not related to any DIY, decor or a vlog. It is a special gift that I have bought for myself. So let me just give you an idea कि मैंने खरीदा कैसे. So now let's see the story behind कि मैंने खरीदा क्या है और खरीदा कैसे है. So let's hear the story. So actually क्या था, मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत दिनों से चाहिए था and I had a different myth in my mind. और मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी बात करती थी तो उनके दिमाग में भी यही सेम myth चल रहा था. The first myth था कि ये बजट फ्रेंडली बिल्कुल नहीं है. This was my first myth. Second myth ये था कि बिल्कुल ही यूज़र फ्रेंडली नहीं है. Third myth ये था कि ऑपरेट कैसे करें. It will be very complicated to operate. But ये चीज़ है क्या? So let's see it. So yes, this is the one that I've bought for myself. It is a smartwear watch from Noise and it's a Colorfit Qube SPO2 edition. It's a wonderful watch. It is wonderful smartwear जो बहुत ही user friendly है, within your budget है and easy to operate है. So without getting further delayed, let's quickly go into the video. So this is a small compact box and I have bought this in deep wine color. It's a nice one. And you also have this loop so that you can pull it out. So on the side of the boxes, you will see some taglines written on it. On this side, you will see, the manufacturing date, the country of origin, the size, everything will be mentioned here. Yes, and it is specifically designed in India. On the back side of that box, you would also see, the Colorfit Qube SPO2 edition written with a deep wine, and all the activities that this watch has, each one is mentioned on the top of that box. So it's very easy to check it out if you are going to buy it. So just when you go down, you will see the Noise logo. You'll have the QR code so that you can download it both in Android and iOS. So it is compatible for both. So you can open the box with the help of this loop. And just inside the box, you have a written note by Rishabh Pant. I really like that. And it looks really compact. This is how the dial looks. They have really packed it really well. And I was so excited that I really opened it before, unboxing it to all of you. So yes, please ignore that. So this is the charger that you will find it. So besides the charger and the dial, you would also find some stick-ons from Noise. They have their logo stick-ons. I really like those. They're really nice and quirky. They also have an instruction booklet, so before you switch it on or before you operate, you can read it out once. So yes, they have really packed well. I really like the packing, the way they did it. So this is how it looks. Now let's talk about the charger. The charger has these magnetic strips, so you can use this magnetic strip to charge your smartwear. So now let's talk about the strap. I love the strap. The quality of the strap is really nice as per the price, and I really love the color. With the deep wine, they have used a rose gold. It really goes well with the color. And the best part I loved about it is they have also given a screen guard on the dial. It's really good. So when you turn the dial, at the back side you will see the sensors, and it is also stated what is the power of your battery, so which can go up to 7 days if you charge it really well. And this is where the charging point is. The magnetic strips can be attached here. Right, so now if I talk about the strap again, it has a detachable strap. I really love this idea. So you can detach it from both the sides. Overall, I really loved it. It is within the budget and it looks really nice. So let's have a closer look of it. So before we check it out on the phone, let's first figure out from the watch. So with the side button, press it and the watch will be switched on. This is the default wallpaper that you have on the phone. Press it a little and you will have 4 options of the default wallpaper. So yes, these are the ones. So now when you scroll it up, you will see there are 4 things written, which is DND activated. This is one of the options that you have. Then you have of brightness. So you have 3 options of brightness. Then you have find my phone option. If you lose your phone, you can find it out. Yes, and you can also have the settings. So in the settings, again, you'll have the dial, the wallpaper dial. So again, press it from the side, you'll go back to the main page. The brightness is also here. So the third one is about the smartwatch. All the details of the watch is given out here. So again, press it, you will be back to the page again. When you scroll it down, you have the wallpaper, scroll it towards your right. So you'll have the steps count. The second one is all about the sleep count and how many hours of sleep you want. Then you have the heartbeat. So yes, and the next one is about the activities. So in the activities, you have the running. They have their own countdowns. Then you have walking, there is cycling, there is hiking, climbing, treadmills, yoga. These are all the activities that you can check it out on that watch. So again, press it, you'll go back to the page. You have a message notifications also. Weather forecast will also be there the moment you get connected to the phone. So you have a stopwatch, you also have an alarm clock, you have a timer, you have my find my phone option again. When you scroll it up again, you will have this breathing one where you can inhale and exhale. Then you have a camera, you can use this camera option to click it from your phone. And this is again the settings where we have dial, brightness and about the smartwatch. So when you scroll it up again, it's the same thing. So now we have the dial again. So scroll towards your left, the steps and the sleep hours are stated there with the beats per minute, the weather again. So now let's get back to the phone. So you have to first download the Noise Fit app. So you have the QR code, you'll scan it and you will find this Noise Fit tracker, Noise Fit Health and Fitness. Yes, the moment it's downloaded, just click on it. Just follow all the things that is navigating you to. Pair it well with your device. The moment it's paired, just get it started. So when you get started, they have all the personal details. You have to fill up those. It will not take more than 2 minutes. So when you get back to the dashboard, you will have the same activities with the step counts, the calorie counts, the sleep hour counts and all. And yes, it will also track your options. And these are the default wallpapers that you have it on the phone as well. You can use them. And these are all there in the settings. So the moment you go to the settings, these are the options that you will have with help and many more. So yes, finally your phone is all compatible with your smartwatch and your smartwatch is ready to wear. So I guess I have a very thin wrist, but still the dial looks good on my wrist. So I must tell you, within a budget, this is a wonderful gift that you can give to your friends or you can buy it for yourself. So if you really like it, do not forget to share with your friends and your family. I'm sure they would love this as a gift if you gift it to them. I'll share the link in the comment sections. You can check it out and see more options in the same. If you really like this video and want to see more such videos on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Share with your family and friends again. So do like, share and comment. I would wait for it. So enjoy the video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.